Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB's Legal Bee. This is Amrita, your law faculty here at iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience with us. And for that, you have to subscribe to our YouTube channel, that is Legal Bee. Legal Bee is the exclusive law channel of iExamB. At Legal Bee, you keep on getting videos relating to the current legal affairs that are going on. Today's video is also one of them. Other than this, we provide you content for various competitive examinations. The videos relating to content, strategic preparation for your examination, guidance, workshops and whatnot. ये सारे अपडेट्स के लिए लीगल बी को जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। अगर आपको ऑनलाइन कोर्सेज चाहिए कोई भी एग्जामिनेशन के लिए विच आर रिलेटिंग टू द रेगुलेटरी बॉडीज फॉर सेबी फॉर एग्जाम्पल RBI, the banking sector, IBPS, law officer, ये सारे एग्जाम्स के लिए we have online courses available. So you can check out the online courses by visiting our website, activate the demo of these courses on www.iexamb.com. You can also write us an email on hello@iexamb.com and call us on the number 9205524028. वीडियो के कमेंट सेक्शन में भी हमें रीच आउट कर सकते हैं. We will try to reply you as soon as possible. And of course, you can stay tuned and prepare 50% faster with us. Today's video, I'm going to talk about the very recent move that has been taken by the government, by the Home Ministry, by implementation of the Citizenship Amendment Act 2019. 4 years ago, this act had come into picture, which has been finally implemented. Actually, it has come into effect with the passage of CAA Rules 2024, जिसको पास किया गया है on 11th of March 2024. ये सारे rules में actually ये दिया हुआ है that how you are going to get a citizenship if you belong to 3 countries and you are a minority person belonging to a minority community, and for that what is the procedure to get citizenship. Even the rules are having the appendix forms attached. The entire procedure is being given. Even online procedure is going to be started soon. ये सारी चीज़ें अभी काफ़ी ज़्यादा न्यूज़ में चल रहा है. And this has been done. This was to be done because the act was already it was already passed. It received the presidential assent before COVID, but COVID आने के बाद then वो delay हुआ and इसने काफ़ी सारी protests भी suffer की थी इस law ने due to some allegations that it is not a neutral law. It is a discriminatory one as the Muslim majority has not been taken into consideration. Muslim minority. I'm so sorry. So this is a question which is still prevailing. अभी ये CAA रूल्स को पास करने के बाद ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा अभी क्वेश्चनेबल बन चुका है. एंड लेट अस सी what are the details about this act. Before we go to that, I would like to announce about the free workshop which is going to be conducted by Amrita Mam. She is the legal expert, ex-bank PO and LLP. She is going to discuss with you all about OICL, that is relating to Oriental Insurance Corporation Limited AO legal examination on March 14, 6 PM. This is a free workshop. इसकी registration link आपको वीडियो के description में मिल जाएगी. Don't miss the opportunity. Get all the details from ma'am in this session. Application is going to start from 21st of March. अब details के लिए इस नंबर पे भी कॉल कर सकते हैं 8825240593. वीडियो को पॉज करके आराम से डिटेल्स देख लीजिए या फिर आप डिस्क्रिप्शन में जाके भी देख सकते हैं. Coming to the Citizenship Amendment Act, this is the Amendment Act to the original Citizenship Act of 1955. 2019 में amendment आया था, and what was the major amendment to? It was to Section 2, adding that in Citizenship Act 1955, herein referred to the Principal Act जो है actually, in Section 2, in subsection 1, in clause B, following proviso shall be inserted. Provided that any person belonging to Hindu, Sikh, Buddhist, Jain, Parsi or Christian community. You can take note which communities are covered over here. From Afghanistan, Bangladesh or Pakistan. So these are the neighboring countries of India. From here, if such kind of people are there who entered into India on or before 31st day of December 2014 and who have been exempted by the central government by or under clause C of subsection 2 of section 3 of the Passport Entry into India Act 1920, or from the application of the provisions of the Foreigners Act 1946, or any rule or made under therein, shall not be treated as illegal migrants for the purposes of this act. अब ये जो अमेंडमेंट स्पेसिफिकली आया है, मैं इसका आपको ऑब्जेक्टिव समझाती हूँ. दिस इज फॉर दोज पीपल हु हैव फेस्ड persecution in these countries. Now, what is the meaning of this? This is lying in international law. We are law students, we are related to the law discipline, so we should always think legal. Don't go into the gossips and into the media, whatever the news is going on, don't just rely on that. Research on yourself that actually what is the logic behind the things happening and what can be the consequences of every decision of the government, whether it is positive, negative. For that we need to understand persecution which is being faced by many such people on the basis of caste, religion, community. इंटरनेशनल लॉ में ये कंसेप्ट है कि अगर कोई परसिक्यूशन फेस करता है and then he becomes a refugee and he comes for homage in a nearby country but obvious, then the other country is having the obligation to accept that person and not leave them just homeless. This is what is the international obligation on every country. There is a convention of refugees which has been signed by various countries as well. But then when it comes to citizenship, according to the acts that are already prevailing before this amendment, these people came under the category of illegal migrants. So ये लोग minority communities होने के वजह से neighboring 3 countries specifically, बाकी कोई country यहाँ पे covered नहीं है, only Afghanistan, Bangladesh and Pakistan. So there they have faced a lot of torture and persecution and they came eventually to India. So if they are residing in India, then they need to get citizenship or else they will not get the status or they will not get the rights which they deserve as an individual being a citizen. So this is how the government has considered and has come up with this decision, and this is what is the objective of the amendment. Now coming to the next amendment part, which is in section 6, provided that for the person belonging to Hindu, Sikh, Buddhist, Jain, Parsi or Christian community in these 3 countries, the aggregate period that they are going to stay in India will be read as not less than 5 years instead of 11 years. ये भी एक amendment किया था 3rd शेड्यूल में, जो पहले के एक्ट के हिसाब से किया था 11 years उन्होंने यहाँ पे रहना है, उसको कम करके गवर्नमेंट ने अमेंड करके not less than 5 years कर दिया है. So अगर 5 years का पीरियड उन्होंने यहाँ पे बिता लिया है, then they are eligible to get citizenship in India. Now what is the question over here? Why is this being so much objected? And for that, 11th of March 2024, this is what is the actual cutting of the notification which has been issued for the rules. You can see this application for grant of citizenship by registration or naturalization. So ये उसके criteria है, citizenship के अलग अलग types होते हैं, उसके क्राइटेरिया में उनको फिट होने के लिए ये सारे डॉक्यूमेंट सबमिट करने होंगे. इट कैन बी गिविंग प्रूफ्स रिलेटिंग टू देयर रेसिडेंस इन आइदर अफगानिस्तान, पाकिस्तान और बांग्लादेश एंड दे बीइंग फ्रॉम दैट कम्युनिटी, एंड वो उनके एंसेस्टर्स के लीनिएज डॉक्यूमेंट्स भी वहाँ पे सबमिट कर सकते हैं. एंड दे कैन गिव देयर डॉक्यूमेंट्स, रेसिडेंशियल प्रूफ्स इन दीज कंट्रीज. ये सारे प्रूफ्स वो वहाँ पे जोड़ सकते हैं. सो अब ये रूल्स के साथ फाइनली इस एक्ट को इम्प्लीमेंट कर दिया गया है. इसको काफ़ी ज़्यादा क्रिटिसिज्म आ रहा है, इलेक्शन मोटिव बताया जा रहा है, मेनी थिंग्स आर देयर, बट इररिस्पेक्टिव ऑफ दैट द लॉ इज दिस. नाउ व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम? Citizenship Amendment Act, it came into effect from 10 January 2020 and it is implemented. What is the problem? The problem is that let us see the other side of the coin also. In the Supreme Court, already the petitions have been reached challenging the move of the government and the rules that have come out, and the implementation of CAA is under challenge by the All India Muslim League. They have moved a petition in the Supreme Court of India. Let us see what will be the decision of the Honorable Supreme Court. But what contention have they raised? The contention by them and the opposition to this law is that the communities that have been considered specifically in this law is not covering the Muslim community. They are covering specific communities, and this is how the law becomes discriminatory in nature. This is what is the opposition that has been taken, and this was the reason कि इस law को काफ़ी सारे protests face करने पड़े थे earlier due to this reason. उनका ऐसा कहना है, opposition का ऐसा कहना है that why the communities have been specified over here for granting citizenship of India. So this is a question. Let us see what the decision comes and what the Honorable Supreme Court says on this point, and let us analyze it further. If you get any updates, you can also write to me in the comment section of this video, and we will try to discuss and chat on this point. Don't forget to subscribe to LegalBee for all such kind of updates, discussions, legal content, and exam preparation for various competitive examinations only at iExamBee. And for that, you have to subscribe to LegalBee. Prepare 50% faster with us. Thank you, everybody. Have a nice day.